Hello students, this video is about the course of Skill Enhancement Laboratory. So this is the SEL course where total 12 assignments are there. So we'll see first there are some course objectives and course outcomes of this course, and there are total 12 lab assignments in SEL, that is Skill Enhancement Laboratory. And today we will learn the lab assignment on file handling. So there are two lab assignments on file handling, 10A and 10B. So before this, we will learn what is file handling or what is file handling. So file handling in Java allows you to create, read, write, update, and delete files using classes from the java.io and java.nio.file packages. Now, what is this java.io? So, java.io is Java input output, which provide reading and writing the data and handling exception related to the IO. What is NIO? So, NIO is new input output dot file, which is introduced in Java 7. Now, there are some common classes which are used in this assignment or for file handling. So first is file. So file is the purpose of this class is create, delete, check properties of file or folder. Then file writer is there. So file writer writes the character data into the file. File reader read the character data from the file. Then buffer reader read text efficiently using buffer reader. And file input stream and file output stream are there, and there are files which is used for modern method for file operations. Now what is file reader and buffer reader? So file reader read the character by character and buffer reader read line by line. So the speed of file reader is slower as compared to buffer reader. So usually file reader is used for small file and buffer reader is used for large file. So we will directly move towards the code. So I have already the code of file handling where we are going to create, write and delete the file. So these are some packages which we need to import for the file handling program. So import java.io.file. So java.io.file handle the properties and operations. So it does not read or write the data directly. So this handle the operation like create new file, exist, where we have to check whether file is exist or not. Then delete, get name and make directory or create directory. Next is file writer, java.io.file reader, import java.io.buffer reader and import java.io.io exception. So these are the packages which we need to import. Then public class file handling example. So this is the class name file handling example, where public static void main, where we are going to start our code and we have to write this in try block. So first is create a file is equal to file, and file is the object which we are creating here. So file is equal to new file, and we are providing one path for the sample.txt. So next is if file dot create new file, it means if this file is present then create a file, and else the file already exists. Next is write to the file. So we are writing some text in the file. So file writer is here one object of file writer. Writer is equal to new file writer of sample.txt. So here we are going to write these two statement in our file. So writer.write is in bracket hello. This is Java file handling example, and second statement is program is running on Ubuntu Linux. Now next is write.close. Here close writer. We are close the writer over here. Next is system.out.println successfully written to the file. Next is read from the file. So file reader, here reader is an object equal to new file reader sample.txt. Buffer reader, buffer reader is an object equal to new buffer reader. So buffer reader improves the reading efficiency here. And next is string line system.out.println reading from file. So this is now. Next is while. So this while is for reading the file line by line. So while line is equal to buffer reader dot read line is not equal to null. So system.out.println. So your message is reading in this while statement. Next is buffer reader dot close reader dot close. So we are closing all the buffer reader. Now next is if we want to delete the file. If file dot delete, if file is present, then your file will get deleted and your message will get print, that is delete file, else fail to delete file. So this if statement is to check whether your file to delete the file. Now here catch, if some if any exception is occurred during the file handling, that it will use try and catch. So catch IO exception E system.out.println and error occurred e.print stack trace. So we'll run this code. So my code is safe here and I'm going to run using cmd. So my file name is javac example.java. Okay, code is compiled successfully. So you can see file created. So as we given the file name is sample, so sample.txt successfully written to the file, and these are the statement. Hello, this is Java file handling example. Program is running on Ubuntu. So you can see the file here, sample.txt file. So we already provided the path here. So your file is saved in this path. This is the output. Okay. Thank you.